Here we are at ISHI 33 with Elisa from Copan. And what do you do over there at Copan?
I am Business Development Manager.
Okay.
And Copan is the worldwide leading manufacturing company for sample collection devices for different applications.
Okay.
From clinical microbiology, which is actually our core business, to forensic applications. Copan has its headquarters in Italy.
Okay.
However, we do have subsidiary companies and manufacturing sites all over the world, including the U.S. territory.
Oh, that's neat. Where are they located?
They are located in Murrieta, for instance, or in Puerto Rico.
Oh, neat.
Then we have...
do you ever get to visit there?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Don't say it again.
Put that on the list.
I should ask.
Yes. Well, have you been to an ISHI before?
Yes, I've been at the ISHI since, I think, 2012.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've been to many of them.
Many of them.
Do you find that it's a good place to collaborate with different people and to see people that you know from the industry?
Definitely. Yeah, I have the chance to meet with the industries also,
sure.
Which is very important from my standpoint, because I can connect with them and do B2B opportunities. But on top of that, of course, the scientific level is very neat.
Yes. So when at your company, what are these kits? Are they kits that you're producing? Or what kind of tools do you manufacture?
Yeah, we have a variety, a wide portfolio.
Okay.
Starting from swabs in pill pouch, then swabs in long tube or in short tube with active drying systems. Our premium product allows the preservation of DNA at room temperature for 12 months.
Wow, okay.
And then
That's
we
impressive.
have other products for long-term storage of DNA, such as the nucleocards or the nail baskets for the sample extraction. And the MicroFLOQ, that tiny swab with lysing agent on the top so that you can skip the extraction phase and go direct to PCR.
What?
And then you get a result in less than 2 hours.
That's amazing.
Starting from a swab, and so you don't have to change your C instrument, nothing in your workflow. You just change a swab.
That's amazing. So you're taking the swab into the field? Like, would this be at a crime scene? And you could be swabbing DNA from blood, semen,
blood, semen, or you can even swab the swab. So you have a swab where you have collected a sample, and then you touch the swab with a MicroFLOQ. So you can still have your original sample in your standard swab, and you run the rapid analysis with the MicroFLOQ.
That is excellent.
That is,
That's a neat product. Do you find that are you selling those then to like the FBI, police stations and things like that? Who's your main customer for those kind of items?
I mean, the crime scene lab, or the database lab, or also companies. Okay, so I'm working a lot with under business to business opportunities.
Okay, so these are kind of sample collection. Did you do anything with the COVID? Did you guys have COVID kits or COVID swabs?
That was just COVID, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Copan started in 1979 as a swab manufacturer.
Okay.
And then when COVID came in, we were overwhelmed.
Yes, you were. I'm sure.
Yeah. So we take that chance actually to enlarge our production facility.
Good. Yes.
And our production now arrives to 1 billion FLOQ swab per year.
1 billion?
1 billion FLOQ swabs per year.
That's a very automated.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There aren't people winding anything.
Nothing.
No.
Nothing.
Okay.
Everything has been fully automated.
That's totally neat. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So perhaps should I put one of those up my nose and get some COVID testing on that? Is that Copan?
No, rapid testing, no.
Rapid testing, okay.
No.
Okay.
Just PCR.
Just PCR, okay. Very good. Yep. And so you have a certain number of products. Do you have any vision for what's the future? What are some other products do you have that you're working on now that are going to be out there in the world?
I think that, I mean, rapid is, of course, is one of the, I mean, it's already here, the rapid technology.
It is definitely here.
Let's see how it is deployed then in real life. So we are seeing or just looking how our product can be suitable for this application. But on top of that, let's also think about new strategy of, let's say, putting something onto our flux swab.
Yes.
You know, coatings, I don't know.
Yeah.
We have the knowledge, we have the know-how, we have a huge laboratory within Copan. So we can develop and listening to the customer actually. So I'm here also to listen to the market, to the users, so that I can grab some needs and try to fill that gap.
Bring that back to
bring it back to Copan and talk, discuss with the R&D and the laboratory and see how we can fill that gap.
That's very neat. So do you ever get to find out, okay, so you're the manufacturer of these items and they're out there in the world and they're helping solve, you know, missing person cases. They're out there helping, you know, solve crimes. Do you ever get to find out about those where your products were actually used to solve a crime?
Yes. I mean, I know from the Italian Carabinieri. So race in Parma, race in Rome, they are using our products on a daily basis. And they informed us about how successful they were using our products. Though the products make the difference actually. If they were using another product, they wouldn't be able to get a result with our product thanks to the flocking technology that not only absorbs the sample but also release it instantaneously. You have access to more amount of DNA. That makes a difference in having or not a profile.
Right.
Ultimately.
That has to be a very good feeling to have that, know that you're being a part of that.
We are all part of that, I think, all part of it. So we are just really at the beginning of that part, really the first step. And it's difficult to let people understand how important is the pre-analytics.
It is. It's difficult.
It's difficult because they just say maybe it's a swab. Well, a swab is not just a swab.
No.
You get rubbish in, you get rubbish out.
Yes.
That's the concept.
Yes, and it's not just a swab. You're taking a sample of somebody's life that has been drastically altered, and they have loved ones, and you're taking that sample, processing it all the way through to give people answers about life and death many times. So it is definitely more than just a swab, right?
It's more than just a swab. And all the way we manufacture that swab is completely different from the clinical swab, for instance.
It's not the one that I'm sticking in my ear.
No. We have specific controls in place for the manufacturer. Of course, we do comply with the ISO 18385 standards, and that implies the use of a specific quality system in place, or having an STR database of our employees that are working in the production. Or perform a post-production treatment, or doing risk assessments. So, I mean, all these kind of things just behind a simple swab.
And you're helping change people's lives with those simple swabs. Yes, that's so great. I've noticed that at ISHIs and at these kind of conferences that everyone is feeling like a family or a community. Do you get that feeling when you come here?
I get it.
You do.
I've been working now for the within the forensic environment since 2011, so more than 10 years. And it's amazing how you can get deep connection. And I mean, I've been out for dinner last night with one of the attendees. And he told me, he said, I feel like I'm having dinner with friends. That's what what it matters to me ultimately. Because if I get the right connection, I get also the right hints, and then provide some important solution. I want to be part of that.
And so did whoever you were at dinner with also wants that, which I think that is so amazing with this whole community, is because everyone has that common goal. You know, everyone wants to be helpful to all the people in the world and to each other, and that's really noble. That's awesome. Well, you know what? That's enough. That's all the time I have left. How did you do?
I don't know.
You did amazing. No. That is so great. You did a really great job.
You helped me.
I helped you?
You helped me.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
I love helping people,
you.
just like you like helping people. And so I'll see you at ISHI 34
Hope so.
in the mountains over there in Denver. That's where we're going.
I've never been to Denver.
You've not?
Never.
Oh my gosh, you can see Pikes Peak. It's going to be fantastic.
Okay.
Yep. So I'll meet you there next year. Yep.
Okay.
Get your ticket and bring your ski boots because you're probably really good at skiing. You're from Italy?
So and so.
Okay. But you've been skiing before.
I've been skiing before.
Okay, well,
I used to ski, but then I had 2 kids, and then, I have skiing since like 8 years.
Are you taking them skiing?
They ski, and I just watch them.
You watch.
Go.
Okay, you watch with the hot cocoa, with the marshmallows floating in it, while they're trying to hurt themselves, and they're probably snowboarding.
Just skiing.
No, they like to ski.
Ski.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's very cool. Well, thank you very much. It was very nice chatting with you.
Thank you.
Take it easy, and we'll see you at ISHI 34.
I'll see you there.
All right.
Thank
thanks.
you.